Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to connect earbud to our oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to connect this earbud, so guys you can connect it. In this video guys, I will show you how to connect earbud to our phone guys. So let's start video friends. First of all, open your phone setting to connect this earbud. Guys, click on Bluetooth. Guys, on your Bluetooth and guys take out your earbuds. I refresh it. Guys, we will have to wait for some seconds. So as you can see guys, your earbuds name, so which earbuds guys, your name guys, put on TWS. Guys, click your earbuds name and guys click on this option. Guys, click on this pair option, so it will connect and guys you can check your battery level in your earbuds battery guys, you can check from it. So as you can see guys, these earbuds guys we have connected, so guys we can use while watching guys movies, listening song, cartoons, whatever you want. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earbud to our phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.